This is how we wear our masks. I have to cover like this. Welcome back to a new weekly vlog. Today I'm at my friend's place, Soumya, and here she is.
Hello, vlog avasarama.
I think we have to maintain social distance.
Oh, is it right? Okay.
But we need not wear masks, right?
Yeah, that might look funny.
Funny. Many days I got to meet her, and I took
Maybe 3 or 4 months now.
Yes, 3 or 4 months. And so, yeah, the reason behind this vlog is we thought of making pizza because the time manaki anni cravings untayi, and my friend is expert in making pizza, isn't it?
Oh, expert em kaadu, but it is pretty simple. So I thought we'll వచ్చారు కదా స్పెషల్ గా చేద్దాము. స్పెషల్ గా చేద్దాము. బుదియో might like it, so బుదియో గురించి.
Done. So అది 20 minutes పడుతుంది ప్రిపేర్ చేయడానికి, అండ్ ఆల్రెడీ మ్యారినేట్ చేయడానికి ఎంత పడుతుంది?
Yeast fermentation will take around 2 to 2.5 hours.
Okay.
But making is like 20 minutes.
20 minutes.
Yeah.
So మనం ఎట్లా పిజ్జా చేయాలి and how Soumya prepares it, we are going to see in this vlog, and that's it. Let's get started.
Okay, done. Chalo.
ఫస్ట్ స్టెప్ టు ప్రిపేర్ పిజ్జా బేస్. పిజ్జా బేస్ కోసం తను కొంచెం సాల్ట్, షుగర్, ఇంకా ఈస్ట్ తీసుకుంది. ఈస్ట్ మనకి ఏ జనరల్ స్టోర్లో అయినా దొరికిపోతుంది. అండ్ ఆఫ్ కోర్స్ మైదా. దీంతో మనం ఒక డో లాగా చేసుకుని ఒక 2 hours ఫర్మెంట్ చేసుకుంటాం. నౌ లెట్ us see the process.
So I'm adding 2 cups of maida.
4 personsకి 2 cups of maida would be enough.
And this is dry yeast. Half tablespoon. Half spoon sugar. And half spoon salt. A little lukewarm water in portions, and just mix it well. So with oil, just to avoid the stickiness. Done. Just knead the dough for a while, and it's almost done. Cover the dough with little bit of oil for better fermentation. This is how the dough looks, and let it sit for just try to wrap it up with airtight wrap, and then let it sit for 2 to 3 hours, and the pizza base would be ready by that time.
Now that we had 2 to 3 hours of time, we visited my home Avatar, which is a huge gated community, to meet my friend's relative who stays there. We just had a long walk in this beautiful pathways. People were maintaining social distancing, and we all were wearing masks. You can also see a temple which is built in my home Avatar, which was really amazing. So here is the view from 15th floor, which was really cool. If you're not afraid of heights, then this is the right place to stay. And we could see entire view of ORR or Hyderabad, we can call it any name. Now that we spent some good and quality time in Avatar, we are heading back home to prepare our pizza, and I'll show you all the next steps.
Pour some oil. Put some corn flour to have a crispy base.
After about like 3 hours, the dough was extremely soft and well fermented. She took it onto this tray and started spreading very gently and slowly, ensuring that there are no gaps. And she took oil little bit while she was just spreading it to avoid stickiness. So So our pizza base is almost ready. Now we have to go and see how we are going to do the toppings on it.
పిజ్జా బేస్ అయితే రెడీ అయిపోయింది. ఇప్పుడు పిజ్జా టాపింగ్స్ రెడీ చేస్తాం.
Okay.
పనీర్ అండ్ క్యాప్సికమ్ కొంచెం మిక్స్ చేసి పిజ్జా టాపింగ్స్ రెడీ చేయాలి.
Now that our base is ready, we need to put pizza sauce onto this and spread it across evenly. You'll find a lot of variety of pizza sauces in the market. So toppings is done by Shan. Who cooks well?
పెరుగును బాగా చేస్తాం, మిగతా నేను చేస్తాను.
ఏంటది?
పెరుగు నువ్వు బాగా చేస్తావు, మిగిలినవన్నీ నేను బాగా చేస్తాను.
Scramble your toppings.
Don't worry about your weight and calories for a day. Go ahead and add lots of cheese to your base. It will definitely enhance the taste and fluffiness in pizza. I found that this is one good secret ingredient while making it.
Set this to 180 degrees and keep for 20 minutes. Just check the base if it's properly cooked. So it's completely dry.
So when it is completely dry, then we have to know that it is already cooked.
Yes. So it seems to be good. We can take it out.
So 20 minutes tarvata I just took it out from the oven. It was really tasty. It was completely cooked. ఈ టైంలో మనం బయటకు వెళ్ళాం కాబట్టి it is very easy to prepare pizza. It is not at all difficult. So please do try at home and do let me know your comments.
And the pizza is ready.
Yes, thank you, and it looks yummy. I think we have
Okay.
paneer, capsicum,
Mushroom.
lot of cheese and lot of love.
Yeah.
So that's it for today's vlog. I hope you all like watching it. If you did, then please hit the like button and also subscribe to my channel. I'll meet you all next week. Until then, stay home, stay safe. Bye bye.